Have you ever felt the stress of embarkation day? I know I have, but I have 6 tips that are going to help you feel easy breezy on your next embarkation day. Hey everybody, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Diaz on Deck Travel. Today I want to tell you 6 tips for making your embarkation day seem so much less stressful. And I also want to thank you for subscribing, giving me a big thumbs up, and liking the channel. I really do appreciate it, and it helps me to bring you more content. So let's get into it. First things first, number 1, download your cruise lines app on your phone or mobile device as soon as you know which cruise line you are booking. This will help you to expedite things as you get closer to your cruise. Number 2, complete your online check-in as soon as it becomes available. Most cruise lines will open that up on the app 30 to 45 days ahead of your scheduled sailing. And you want to do that as soon as it opens so that you can ensure that you get an early boarding time. And you're gonna find out in a minute why that could be so important. Number 3, flying into your departure port and early boarding times. So if you are flying into your departure port, it is widely recommended that you come in the day before. And the reason for that is, things can happen with airlines. Flights can be delayed, or worse, they could be canceled. So you don't want to miss your cruise ship. So it's always recommended you come in the day before. That way you're there, you can relax a little bit the night before, and don't feel like you're in that eco challenge, just, climbing tooth and nail, trying to get to the port in time for the departure of the ship. Okay, and the other reason I say book an early boarding time is because not only can flights be delayed and canceled, but traffic builds up. The later you get to the port, the more traffic there is. And now, Port Canaveral, they just won an award for being the busiest cruise port in Florida. And I've seen the traffic build up in Miami. So, I'm saying it's not as bad as that, but it gets pretty tight. So get there early. I just recently heard a story of someone who had an early boarding time, and yet it took them 4 hours from their hotel, which was close by, because of traffic to get to the port. So always choose an early boarding time. Number 4, packing accordingly. So packing accordingly covers a couple of different things. Number 1, you have to decide, are you checking your bag at the terminal? I like to check my bag with the porters because I find it more relaxing not to have to keep wheeling my suitcase around to the pool, to the line for food or wherever. I just like to get rid of it and get on my merry way. But if you decide not to check your bag, make sure that your carry-on is something you can handle. Because again, if you are going to the pool, you are going to be taking that suitcase with you. So backpacks are essential as well. A lot of times people will check their bag with the porter, but then they forget to put some very vital, important things in their backpack or carry-on. Make sure that you have any necessary medications, any vital documents, anything that you imperatively must have in your possession prior to your suitcase being delivered to your stateroom. A lot of times the staterooms are not open till 1 or 1:30, and the luggage continues to come shortly thereafter that. So you want to make sure that you have what you need. Some people even pack a change of clothes. For example, I like to wear my bathing suit on the cruise because I know I'm going to hit the pool or be out in the sun at some point. So sometimes people will pack a suit or a cover-up and even maybe a change of clothes for dinner. There is always the chance that your suitcase could arrive late, and you want to make sure that you have everything you need in the event your suitcase does not show up on time. I'm going to say it mostly always shows up, but I'm going to knock on wood, I haven't experienced that. Okay, number 5, make sure that you complete your safety drill ASAP. That is usually one of the first things I take care of. I like to get it over and out of the way. And again, you need the app so that you can start this procedure before you even get on the ship, and then it gets completed once you're on the ship. So get that over with and get on with your cruise. And finally, number 6. A lot of people do not like the lines for food in the buffet on embarkation day. And it just naturally happens because everyone just tends to gravitate towards that area. But check your app and check your cruise line, and sometimes you will find that they have the dining room open that day for lunch. There might be a small included specialty dining venue that you can go to, and you're going to find those are a lot less crowded than going to the main buffet where everybody usually congregates. So, what do you guys think about all of that? I hope you found these tips helpful and that they will help you to make your embarkation day easy breezy. And if you found the video helpful, enjoyable, and you liked it in any way, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help me continue to bring you the channel. Well, I look forward to seeing you on deck, and I mostly cannot wait to share my next adventure with you.